Today's topic is a differentiation. Differentiation is finding the rate of the change. Rate of the change, finding is a differentiation. So for example, acceleration, velocity. Velocity is the rate of the change of the displacement. Acceleration is the rate of the change of the velocity. Those can be calculated by the differentiation method. So this is the formula for differentiation. Y is equal to h power n, so dy by dh, and h power n minus 1 dh by dh. So dh by dh we can say, so that will be y h power n minus 1. So this is for the differentiation formula. If you see that y is equal to u power m, so dy by dh can be calculated n into u power n minus 1 du by dh. If y is a sine theta, dy d theta is equal to d sine theta by d theta, so that will be the cos theta. Y sine 3 theta, dy d theta, d sine 3 theta by d theta. So the sine 3 theta that differentiate cos 3 theta and d 3 theta by d theta. So the 3 coming out, so the 3 cos 3 theta. Y is equal to cos 3 theta, dy by d theta equal to d cos 3 theta by d theta. So then we differentiate the cos, the answer is sine, minus sine 3 theta, d 3 theta by d theta. So then we 3 coming out, so then minus 3 sine 3 theta. So the equation given, the problem, y equal to 5h power 3 plus 6h squared plus 7. So we have to differentiate. So dy by dh, d by dh 5h power 3 plus d by dh 6h squared plus d 7 by dh. So you differentiate 5 coming out, dh power 3. So this will be 3h power 3 minus 1. 6 coming out here, h squared. So 2h power 2 minus 1. And d7 by dh 0. So we solve this one. So that will be 5 multiplied 3 will be 15, 6 multiplied 2 is 12. So the answer will be 15h squared plus 12h. Okay, so y equal to sine h plus cos h. We have to differentiate. So dy by dh is equal to d by dh sine h plus d by dh cos h. So then when you differentiate the sine h, so therefore cos h, differentiate the cos h minus sine h. So when we also differentiate the product function. Y equal to u multiply v. So dy by dh can be calculated, so d by dh u into v. So this is the u dv by dh plus v du by dh. So this problem, so then y equal to h plus 1 square plus h plus 3 power 3. You need to differentiate. So this is the product function. H plus 1 square plus h plus 3 power 3. These two are the multiplied. So this is the product function. So we write down the equation. Y equal to the h plus 1 square multiply h plus 3 power 3. So dy by dh, so this is the h plus 1 square is similar to u, and h plus 3 power 3 is similar to v. So the v du by dh plus u dv by dh plus v du by dh. So the u we write it, h plus 1 square, d by dh, h plus 3 power 3, plus v du by dh. So v write in, so the h plus 3 power 3, d by dh, h plus 1 square. So then we differentiate h plus 3 power 3, so power 3 coming out, h plus 3 power 3 minus 1, d by dh, h plus 3. Plus, here is h plus 3 power 3 right in, so the h plus 1 square, so power 2 coming out, so h plus 1 power 2 minus 1. So this is the h plus 1, so power 2 minus 1. So by solving this one, what you got to say is, so h plus 1 power square into h plus 3 square, and also 2 into h plus 3 power 3, h plus 1, and dh by dh. So this is d by dh, dh by d by dh, h plus 3 is d by dh. So you differentiate 3 with the 0. And similarly, d by dh, h plus 1, so dh by dh, dy is equal to 0. So the final answer will be the 3h plus 1 power square multiplies h plus 3 square. So h plus 3 power 3 multiply with the h plus 1. So this is the answer for this problem. So if you use u into v multiply, so we can write down the equation u dv by dh plus v du by dh. So that this is the problem. In this problem we use a product method. Another one is a division. It's a y equal to u by v, dy by dh is equal to v du by dh minus u dv by dh divided by v squared. So we have to differentiate h by h plus 1. So u is similar to h, v is h plus 1. So the dy by dh, write down the v, so h plus 1, du by dh is dh by dh, minus u dv by dh. So u is h, d by dh, so the h plus 1. denominator is a h plus 1 the whole square. So the numerators are ds cancel. So what you get is a h plus 1 minus h, so h plus 1 square. So here we say 1 by h plus 1 square. So this is for us differentiation function we differentiate where to use a y equal to u by b formula.